OffLecture. Learn beyond class.
Have you ever noticed your shadow when you step outside early in the morning? It looks like a giant stretching across the grass, but by lunchtime, it shrinks into a tiny puddle right under your feet. Why does your shadow change shape? Let's find out. Look carefully at how shadows behave. Even if you stand completely still, your shadow won't stay put. It continuously crawls, twists, and changes its length from sunrise all the way to sunset. What is controlling this silent movement? It really looks like the sun is a giant fireball sailing across the sky from east to west. But is the sun actually traveling through space to change your shadow? Or is there a hidden motion right under your feet? Let's predict. Here is the big reveal. Welcome to Earth's rotation. The sun isn't flying across the sky at all. Instead, the very planet we live on is constantly spinning around like a massive, beautifully balanced top. Imagine riding on a merry-go-round. As you spin past a stationary light, the light appears to move, but you are the one in motion. Earth spins from west to east, completing one full rotation every 24 hours. Let's look inside the physics mechanism. In the morning, your spot on Earth faces away from the sun, so bright orange sunlight hits you at a low, slanted angle, stretching your shadow out. At noon, you are directly under the sun, creating an overhead angle and a tiny shadow. Humans have used this cosmic rule for thousands of years. Before digital clocks, people built sundials. By planting a simple stick in the ground and marking where the shadow fell, they could tell the exact time just by looking at the angle. You can experience this tonight. Walk past a bright streetlight. As you move closer, your shadow shrinks, and as you walk away, it stretches out. The streetlight stays perfectly still, just like the sun. Your own motion creates the shifting shadow. Here is a trap that tricks many people. Because we feel perfectly still, our brains tell us the sun is moving. But that's a total illusion. The sun stays fixed at the center of our solar system while we do all the spinning. What if Earth suddenly stopped rotating? It would be catastrophic. One half of our planet would be locked in permanent, scorching daylight with no shadows at all, while the other side would plunge into a frozen, never-ending night. Thank goodness we keep spinning. Here is an absolute mind-blowing cosmic fact. Even though you feel like you are sitting completely still right now, if you are standing near the equator, Earth's rotation is carrying you through space at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a jet plane. Time for a quick challenge to test your skills. Imagine looking at a flagpole at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. As the clock ticks towards sunset, will the flagpole's shadow get longer or shorter? Think about the angle of the planet. Let's solve it together. As afternoon turns to evening, your spot on Earth is turning further away from the sun. The bright orange sunlight hits the flagpole at a lower, sharper slant. This lower angle forces the shadow to stretch out longer and longer until the sun sets. Here is a super easy visual shortcut to remember this forever. Whenever you see your shadow moving, just think of a spinning top. The sun is the flashlight, and your shifting shadow is living proof that you are riding on a spinning cosmic top. Earth's rotation is the beautiful, invisible engine that shapes our days and nights. Here is your open-ended mission for today. Grab a piece of chalk, go outside, and trace your shadow at 3 different times. Watch the Earth spin in real time. See you next time!